Ginger the bird's favorite color, blue. She loves the colors blue and red, which is why I have blue and red right here. And we're gonna...
It's green.
You're right. Everybody say blue and red.
Blue and red.
Which usually means it's ready. Ready for Ginger the bird to rock and roll. You guys ready to see her dance? So I told her before she comes out, she needs to do a few things. One, she needs to stretch. Do you guys ever stretch at school?
No.
Before gym class? No?
Her tail's cutting the
Oh, she's okay. She's good, yeah. Sticking out.
her.
So, not only is she going to stretch, she's going to come out, she's going to stretch. After she stretches, she's going to dance.
Oh.
After she dances, she's going to fly in slow motion.
What?
After she flies, oh, she's going to go to the bathroom. After she flies in slow motion, she is going to make her dream come true by giving Ian a high five. Is that cool with you?
How did you do that?
She's like been thinking about this for weeks, man. All right, so she's gonna come out. She's gonna be like, "I love Ian," and she's gonna, oh, and she's gonna see you, right? And then she's gonna whip out her wing. It's gonna sound like this, bing. And then she's gonna come up, hold up your hand like this, and she's gonna come up. She's gonna be like, "Well, you don't have to smack her because she's tiny, okay? So you just keep your hand just like that. And can you hold it straight up in the air like this? I'm gonna come over with her. She'll go bing, and then she'll be like whoosh. But you don't have to move your hand,
You don't
okay?
move your hand, though.
All right, gotcha. One time someone did move their hand. She didn't like that. All right, Ginger, ready to do your thing? Here we go.
How's their hand?
Yeah.
Ginger stretch.
I might steal that joke from you. Thank you. That's good. Before we get going, just real quick, Ian, I want you to give her a pet because sometimes people think we switched her for a fake one. She's real, right? Okay, good. Here we go, Ginger. She's ready to get started. She's got to stretch first.
Come on, stretchy. Stretch. Oh, she has yoga music.
Oh, yeah. She picked it out. Stretch it out, Ginger. Stretch it out. Take it out. Bring it in.
The kisses of the sun.
Take it out.
The sweet I didn't blink, I let it in
Bring it in.
my eyes. Like
One more time. Out.
the radio playing songs
In.
that I have never heard.
Start the bounce.
To sing. Oh, not another word, just la 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 la. It goes around the world, just la 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 la. It's all around the world, just la la.
Slow motion flying.
And everybody's singing la 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 la. And now the bells are ringing la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Fly by pooping. Oh no. Ian, you ready? Hold your hand as high as you can go. Don't move, okay? Nice.
My inspiration feels
Oh, yeah, you love it back.
around my head, it feels a melody. You want to sing with me, just la 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 la.
Ian, can you come up here and help me?
It's the key, la la la.
Stand right here for me. Put your hand right here, okay? Just stay right there. Here we go, guys. We need a countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone wave and say bye, Ginger. Everybody wave and say hello, Bunnylicious.
Everybody's singing la 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 la.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep it going for Bunnylicious. Guys, one more time for Ian on his birthday. You're gonna have where you put Bunnylicious sitting on your lap. You can have a seat right there.
It goes around the world, just
you're gonna get a chance right now to pet Bunnylicious. Can you put your butt all the way to the back of the seat? Make your lap bigger? Go ahead. Yep, there you go. Nice. So guys, we're gonna line up. You're gonna get a chance to pet Bunnylicious with 1 or 2 fingers on her back. So that's her birthmark, and her tail's black, which is really cool.